When you get to Canvas, it's going to ask you to log in. Mine goes ahead and sends me to Canvas, but to log in, you're going to log in the same way that you log into your computer. So if you're worried about your username and password, just go ahead and log in like you're logging into your computer. Once you do that, go ahead and find your class and go to your class. It's going to take you, well, it may take you to a couple of different places, but once you get into your class, you're going to want to go to a place called Modules, which is where mine took me directly. So Modules is right here. So make sure that you go to your modules. Right here, Modules. So go to where it says Modules. All right, now, in order to make a page in Canvas, you have to create a module. So you're going to go over here to the right-hand side of your screen and click the plus sign in the blue icon that says module. So click that. And you need to name it something. I typically name it the date of whatever we're dealing with. So let's say you're going to be doing March 30th. I just pulled that out of the air. So March 30th, you'll click add module. And typically they'll put it down at the bottom. Now, in order for the students to be able to see the module that you've created, you're always going to need to be able to click this right here that says publish. Otherwise, they're not going to be able to see your work. And then you need to create a new page. To create a new page, you're going to click the plus sign. Now, if you wanted to create an assignment, then you would go ahead and do assignment right here. But we're just going to click a page so that you can create something for the students to see. So you're going to click this drop down arrow right here and go to page. Now, I'm assuming you'd want to make a new page. So click new page and let's name it something. Let's say it's your first page that you're wanting to make just to say hello to the students because you haven't seen them in several weeks at this point. So let's just make a new page that says hello, just to greet them and just to say, hey, I haven't seen you in a while. So let's name your page hello and click add item. And again, you're going to want to click publish. Otherwise, they're not going to be able to see it. So over here, click your little button that says publish. And in order for you to get in your page and start typing things, you're going to need to click the words. Now, if you click over here, it's not going to get anywhere. So click the words hello. And now you've got your blank page, but in order to work in it, you need to click edit. So over here, click edit. All right, now you've got your empty document. It's kind of like Microsoft Word. You've got your bold and your italics and your underline and all the different little commands that you need. So at this point, you can just type whatever you need to say. Hey students, I've missed you. Whatever you want to say. Now, there are times that I sometimes make videos for the kids. If you wanted to make a video, I can show you how to do that in another video in a few minutes. But right now, I'm just trying to show you how to make a page. So let's just do the simplified version right now. Okay, so hello, hey students, I've missed you. And so let's say you just want to post that. You just want to make a little message for the kids and then click save. All right, so here's a page. You've now made a page for your kids. Easy enough.